Hello students, in this video we will see practical problems related to combinations. Problem is, in how many ways can a cricket 11 be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? If there are the three part of this problem, if there is no restriction on the selection. Second part of this question is, a particular player is always chosen. Now in the third part of this problem, a particular player is never chosen. Now see the first part. First part is there is no restriction. No restriction on the selection. On the selection. It means the total number of ways of selecting eleven players out of 15. This is the combination problem, means selection. It means 15 C11. That is factorial 15 upon factorial 15 minus 11 into factorial 11, or you can say factorial 15 upon factorial 4 into factorial 11. This may be written as 15, 14, 13 into 12 into factorial 11. That is factorial 4 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is factorial 11. This factorial 11 and this factorial 11 will be divided. 3 4s are 12 and 4 will be cancelled out. 2 7s are 14. So we will have in numerator part 15 into 7 into 13. When we will do the product, we will have 1 3 6 5. It means 1 3 6 5 are the ways to select 11 players out of 15. Okay. Now see the second part. In second part, a particular player is always chosen. It means here we have not to choose 11. We have to choose only 10 players out of 15. No, out of 14. One player is already selected. So number of ways will equal to 14 C10, that is factorial 14 upon factorial 14 minus 10 into factorial 10. It means factorial 14 upon factorial 4 into factorial 10. When we will solve, we will have 1001 ways. This is the second part. Now see the third part of this question. In the third part, a particular player is never chosen. It means we have 15 players and we have now to choose one player. It means finally we will have 14 players. So, number of required ways will equal to 14C11. Now you have to choose 11 players out of 14. So, this is factorial 14 upon factorial 14 minus 11 into factorial 11. It means factorial 14 upon factorial 3 into factorial 11. When we will simplify, we will have 364 ways. Okay.